Come on, guys, let's have a 2BA. Let's have a drink 2BA. Let's go 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 2BA. Let's drink together 2BA. Let's go. Hello everyone, it's me again. This past weekend was really a real relaxing time because I just had a gathering. It was extremely fun and full with my brothers and friends from Saigon, Taiwan, and Bac Giang. All thanks to the warm invitation of Mr. Kwang and his wife Miss Yen, the two main characters of this party. And our destination, Hio Restaurant, is not right in the center of Bac Giang City. Just hearing the name makes you feel like a drinker. Right, today's drinking party must be said to be extremely high quality. The first dish brought out was golden roasted pig's feet. The skin was crispy, biting into it made you hear the crunchy sound. The meat inside was soft and sweet. Next was thinly sliced boiled pig's ears dipped in spicy and fragrant ginger fish sauce. Delicious. Eat every bite and remember it forever. Then BA just fried on the side, a favorite dish of drinkers. The fat melts lightly on the golden brown meat, eaten with white rice or boiled vegetables. Both delicious. Boiled squash, cucumber, eaten raw on stir-fried sweet potato leaves with garlic makes the party table more balanced, both delicious and less greasy. Fried, crispy and fragrant with butter. The brothers chatted and picked up continuously. Chicken steamed with lemon leaves is also highly rated. Sweet chicken with thin skin, light lemon leaf scent land very stimulating the taste buds to swallowed with crispy wines often side with a light chilies. Os is delicious. The most special dish must be garlic fried peach cheeks, a bit spicy and salty but fragrant with fried garlic. Eaten with a glass of wine is a complete taste. In addition, raw also has thinly sliced chili bitter melon served with shredded pork floss. A dish that sounds strange but surprisingly suitable, lightly bitter and cool. The more you eat, the more you like. And the most special is 8 crab soup, which tastes delicious and sweet, just like crab soup with vegetables. Dayman toy, cool and pleasant. Good wine is of course indispensable. Glasses are raised. Everyone clinks and laughs. Each story is told, each dough sounds like a small, memorable memory. Diem Phuong from Saigon is surprised because the northern food is rich, and from Taiwan just joked this wine is still very light, not strong enough, but in reality, after a few glasses, I'm drunk. The seniors from Bac Giang are hospitable, pouring wine to fill their glasses, inviting back and forth. Their laughter echoing throughout the table. The atmosphere at that time was really happy and cozy, just like a gathering of old friends. No need to be fancy, just need to be sincere and have fun. A little while later, a few more seniors arrive. Due to being busy with work, they arrive a little late. As soon as they step in, there are greetings and laughter. Everyone shakes hands and smiles like meeting old relatives. The table becomes more lively. The wine is poured again. Everyone raises their glasses to invite each other. Dope. Continuous cheering. The atmosphere was so happy that no one wanted to stand up. New stories followed, old memories from work to everyday life, sometimes laughing out loud, sometimes pondering for a bit, then bursting out laughing. The whole room was filled with laughter and the aroma of food and friendship. Sitting in that space, I only saw one thing sometimes. Happiness doesn't need anything big. Just sitting with people you love, eating a delicious meal, and saying a few sincere words is enough to feel warm. The drinking session ended, but everyone was reluctant. No one wanted to leave early. Everyone made an appointment to meet again next time, maybe in Bac Giang, or who knows, in Saigon. Taiwan, as long as there is fate. And remembering, anywhere is fun like this. And before ending today's video, I want to send my most sincere thanks to Mr. Kwang and his wife Miss Yen, the two people who stood up to organize this cozy meeting full of affection. Thank you for your hospitality, thoughtful, and for giving everyone a wonderful weekend. See you all again at the next gathering. For now, goodbye and see you again.